YouTube? Bit of a different video today. Bit of a change from the tuning videos, interior videos. We're out and about, just on a bit of a dog walk. Something we like to do in my van, bit of cooking. Louise is just taking Dottie, our Cocker Spaniel, for a sort of just a loop round woods. While they're doing that, I'm going to make her some lunch. So on the menu is we're going to be firing out some cheese and ham toasties. Got cheese, got ham. I like to chuck a little bit of brownstone pickle in mine. Bit of sliced bread. And the weapon of choice will be the RidgeMonkey XL. Had this for a while. You see, it's got a few battle scars. Do use it quite a bit. Absolutely fantastic thing. Love RidgeMonkey stuff. Also got the 1 litre kettler as well, which is really good. And I've got some utensil bits and stuff that people have bought me as Christmas presents and things. Really like it. So let's crack on. Come on then.